Our collaboration with Isogenica was a highly successful project. The outcomes were proof of principle for rapidly optimizing baker's yeast for the manufacture of a whole range of different VHHs, which were monospecific or bispecific. So our project with Isogenica was successful mainly for two reasons, I think. The technology platforms of Isogenica and Phenotypeca were both strong, and the VHH molecules provided for the project were also very well suited for yeast manufacture. They have an extremely deep knowledge of VHH biology, but this was combined with a broad understanding of product development generally in the biopharmaceutical industry. And I think this really helped us understand which aspects of the yeast manufacturing system will be most beneficial for us to optimize to improve the robustness of manufacturing at large scale.